Yes, YouTube made me rich, but it wasn't as easy as just uploading videos. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly how YouTube have helped me achieve my financial freedom and what you can learn to do the same. Welcome back to my beautiful channel. It's your favorite Dexy Pictures TV. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you watch this very video today. And I believe it will help you after watching this video. Okay, now when I started my YouTube journey, I wasn't expecting overnight success. I'm going to be honest with you guys. It took time, strategy, and a lot of hard work. In the beginning, I was just like anyone else, uploading videos, hoping to get views, and wondering how people actually made money from YouTube. I wasn't making a dime, guys. I wasn't making a single dime, just one couple I wasn't making from YouTube. But over time, I learned what works, and now I'm excited to share my journey with you guys. Let's break down how YouTube can lead you to wealth, even if you are starting from the scratch. Okay? Here is a breakdown of the main ways I made money on YouTube. It's not just about AdSense, though sure AdSense also help, but there is just one part of this AdSense, there is just one part of it. I also made money from things like sponsorship, affiliate marketing, merchandise, and even creating my own words, product or services. Let's go through on each of them. One is what through the aid avenue, like all the aids that he have been seeing during or before you are or during when you are watching videos. Now, aid is the simplest way to get what paid on YouTube, to get monetized on YouTube, to start getting what revenue from YouTube, but their pays are not too what too high. It's not a what a base word highest word. It's not a best word highest paying word options. All right. So the next one is through what? Sponsorship. How does this sponsorship work? Companies will pay you to reach their audience what? Directly. So you see how it works. Now, but there was some challenges along the way. It took time to build an audience, right? Understand YouTube's algorithm, right? And keep viewers engaged. Not every video I posted on YouTube did well as of then, and it was easy for me to feel discouraged. I believe it was still easy for every of you that is watching me right now to hearing this story of man to be what? To feel discouraged. Discouraged, you feel discouraged very easy. But each failure taught me something valuable, and that is how I kept what? Growing. If you are starting a YouTube channel, here is my kindly advice, and here is my sincere advice to you that is watching me right now. The first thing is for you to be what? Consistent. Be consistent. YouTube rewards creator who upload what? Regularly. Alright? So you need to upload what? Regularly on that your what? Your YouTube channel. Alright? Now, secondly, know your audience. Alright? Know who are your audience. I mean, create a content that can resonate with them and keep them what? Coming back to your what? To your channel. Alright? Now, thirdly, diversify your income what? Streams. Don't rely only on what? On AdSense. That's what I mean. Like you don't rely only on one word, paying word options. You can diversify your word, your stream word incomes. All right. Find creative ways to what to add value and earn through what sponsorship, affiliate programs, and your own words product. Okay. Yes, YouTube made me rich. I am so happy for it, but it's not magic. It's about creating content that people will want to watch and finding what to monetize it. to monetize your YouTube channel, and also what, sticking to it. If I can do it, so you can. All right, so you need to what, to start earning from YouTube and allow YouTube to make you a what, a richest what person, or the richest what, content creator. Allow the YouTube to make you the richest content creator on this what, this YouTube space. All right, thank you so much for watching to the very end of this video. Please, if you find this video very helpful and very interesting and educative, please do give us a thumbs up. Make sure you what, you subscribe to our channel. Please let me know in the comment section how your YouTube journey have become. I would love to chat with you guys. All right, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.